Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Danka Praktik. In this video you'll see another recipe for a quick, nice and tasty meal which is intended mainly for breakfast but can also be served as a quick main course. Most of the ingredients and groceries you probably already have around the household, and even if you don't, they are widely available and cheap to buy. What you're going to see is how to make eggs with sour cream. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
For making eggs with sour cream, you'll need a batch of fresh eggs. The number of eggs you'll need depends on how many people you're serving. You'll need some sour cream. You'll need about a soup spoon of sour cream or more, depending on how many eggs you're using. You'll need cooking oil or lard. Use what suits you best. We recommend using lard, as the cream will have a better taste, at least in our opinion. A pinch of salt, and a bigger and deeper frying pan. The size of the pan depends again on the number of eggs. It's more important that the pan is deep enough so the cream doesn't spill around while you're cooking. First, heat up the oil or lard in the frying pan. The amount of oil or lard depends on how big the frying pan is. Add a bit more than you would usually add to cover the bottom of the frying pan. In this case, a soup spoon of lard is added. Let it heat up for a couple of minutes. Turn the stove to a higher setting. For an electric stove, on a scale of 1 to 3, set to 2.5. If you're using a wood-burning stove, make sure you have a more intense fire. If you're interested in how to cook on a wood-burning stove, click on the card in the corner of the video, or watch the whole series about the wood-burning stove by clicking on the links in the description. Once the oil or lard is heated up, add the eggs. Crack the eggs directly into the pan and try to keep them intact so the yolk and white don't mix. While the eggs are frying, add a pinch of salt. Let the eggs fry until they start gaining a nice crust at the bottom. This will take about 5 minutes depending on the stove. When you see that a crust has formed at the bottom of the eggs, turn them over and let them fry some more until again a crust is formed on the other side of the eggs. After this, add the sour cream. Be careful that you don't burn yourself, as the sour cream is cold and the oil or lard is hot. Let the sour cream melt with the eggs. In this case it takes about 2 minutes until a thick cream is formed. And that's it. This easy egg recipe takes about 10 minutes on average to prepare. Eggs with cream are meant to be served while they're still hot. When serving, make sure to add some cream on every egg. A good thing about this recipe is that, if needed, the eggs can be served just with bread and nothing else because of the cream. You just dip the bread in the cream. In this case, we're serving homemade bread. If you want to see how to make homemade bread, click on the card in the corner of the video. So all in all, you get a nice twist from the usual fried eggs and a tasty and caloric meal which will keep you full for most of the day. Not to mention the fact that it costs next to nothing to prepare. Of course, besides the eggs, you can add other food to your liking. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps and that you'll enjoy a tasty meal. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.